Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to highlight and contour your face. I've already done my eyes and my foundation, so the next thing to do is to highlight, and for that I am going to go in with my concealer. This is the Born This Way Conceal Contour Highlight Retouch multi-use sculpting concealer with a super coverage, as it says. So this is what I'm going to use to highlight my face. I want my highlight at the high points of my face, which are right under my eyes, on my forehead, on the chin, bridge of my nose. I'm going to add a bit more because I'm having a bit of a dark under eye and I definitely want that covered. I like to take my contour a bit up like this. That makes my face look uplifted a bit. So you can choose to apply less than this. This is as much product as I prefer for my highlight. What I'm going to do now is blend that with a damp beauty blender. So I'm using the pointed part to blend in under my eyes. That way I get in there. Take your time blending this out. I normally prefer to highlight my face before I do my eyes, but for the purpose of this video we're just going to have to make it work. For this part here where you can see the blunt edges, I just go in with the butt of the beauty blender and lightly go over that, smooth that out, and there you have it. For under your eyes, look up so you can get in there with your beauty blender to blend that out. See the difference between this eye and this eye. I'm going to go ahead and blend the rest of the highlight and be right back. For your nose, you either take the sharp pointed part or just pinch a bit of the blender and go in there. That is it for my highlight, all blended out. I think it's quite well blended and seamless. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to contour, and the contour sticks that I'm going to use is one from Fenty Beauty Matte Sticks in Espresso. If you do not have a contour stick, you can take a foundation that's a bit darker, maybe 2 shades darker than your skin tone, or just a dark LA Girl Pro concealer, like any concealer or foundation or just any product. The reason why you want to contour is sculpt your face. You need to sculpt your cheekbone. So with the product, start at the edge of the nose and bring it down up to that far, about where your eye starts. That's enough. Don't bring it way back into your mouth, that will look really weird. Really start where your hairline is to make sure that you have a seamless look. Then again, don't bring it down too much. That will make your face look so droppy. But what you really want to do is to, you know, uplift your features. So the next place is right here on your hairline. especially when you have a big forehead and you need to, you know, make that seem a bit less. So the next point, I'm going to go in with the brush, take some product. This is going to go right here. I use the brush. You can use the product directly on your skin, but I prefer to use the brush right now, just so that I can manage how much product I apply. But even if you apply a lot of product, just make sure to blend that out very well. So as you can see, my nose is looking slim. The next point you want to contour is your jawline. Start just below your ear, a bit behind, and bring it all the way. Do not apply too much product because it will give you hell to blend. You need to blend this thing. Okay, let's begin. When blending out near your hairline, you need to blend it seamlessly. It has to look skin-like. When you're blending your jawline, do not bring it upwards, blend it downwards towards your neck. Just like that. Then make sure that your face and your neck look similar. So once you're done blending out your contour, that is how it should look like, more or less. The next thing that I would like to do is go in, okay, because I have a combination skin, so if and every time you use a cream contour, if you do not have dry skin, you have to set that up. Otherwise, if your skin produces oil, it's going to like show too much, so you need to set that up with powder. Sleek makeup, pressed powder, and the color is Super Tan 103. So I'm just going to take a bit with my brush and go over everywhere where I contoured. Just lightly brush over, just to set it so it's not all wet and ready to sweat through. The next thing I have to do is to set my highlight, and what I'm going to use for that is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose baking powder, and the color is Blondie. I'm going to set all the highlight that I applied on my face using this setting powder. So for my under eyes, I'm going to look up so I can get in there. So yes, I'm finished with setting my highlight. and contour. Just applying this light powder underneath. Set the whole face with my setting spray. This is MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Pink Light. So to finish off my makeup, I'm going to go in with my blush, and this is from Bobbi Brown, a very old blush of mine. And place it just on my cheekbone, not too way in front, but upwards like that. A little bit of highlighter, and I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. Using my highlighter brush, I'm just going to use both of them basically. That is actually it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned how to contour and highlight your face. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye.